Okay, so this is my Jetta. It's got about 91,000 miles on it, and it has a problem when you first start it up of not starting when you first crank it. Let's see what it sounds like. If it actually starts right now, I'll be amazed. Turn the radio down. Well, I'm amazed it actually started for once. Usually I have to sit there and crank it a couple of times. It'll try to start and then it dies very quickly. But okay. Has another problem still, that's okay. When I rev it to about 3,000 RPMs, whether it's in gear or not, it makes an interesting sound. And it's only at 3,000 RPM. Anything below or above, it sounds fine. Seems to be coming from this area somewhere, but I don't know what. I don't know what I can tighten down to possibly change that. Seems to idle just fine. Other than that, no problems. We're